What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Your boy Ricky Johnson here. So this is a quick video on a recap. I brought the car down to the dealership and they found don't want to startle anyone, but they didn't find anything wrong with the car. The only thing they recommended was to do a brake flush. So we did a brake flush on the car. Reason being, one of the techs who usually works on the Shelby Gt350s and I believe the 500s, he said when you go to the track, you always want to make sure that your brakes are up to par, and you want to make sure that your brake fluid is up to par. So I owned the car for 3 years. I haven't done any brake fluid change, flush, anything like that. So the track is about 150, 200 miles away from me. So it was a long drive. Plus I'm beating on the car all day. So it was the smartest thing to do was to change the was to do a brake flush. So all fluids was checked. Everything was checked. I got a checklist from the track and the dealership checked every one of those. So guys, so this is the breakdown of everything that needed to be checked on the car. Pretty much everything on here was checked and everything came back good. So the car is ready to go. The only hiccup that I had, and the reason why the car had to stay overnight at the dealership, was what was it, my wheel studs, sorry, not my wheel studs, my lug nuts were different. So in the rear I had two different lug nuts than all the other lug nuts on the car, and they also took off the wheel spacers. They saying the guy who went to the track before, he said you shouldn't have wheel spacers on your car. So I don't want to have any problems when I get down to the track, so they removed my wheel spacers. I have the wheel spacers sitting over here. So the wheel spacers they took off, and I had to get them two matching lug nuts to put on the car. So a couple final prep that I'm going to do. I'm going to check my oil separator. I haven't checked this in about a year, so we're going to check that. And we're also going to change the air filter. Just got that in the mail today, Saturday. So the air filter, I'd installed this back when I first purchased the car. So 3 years this oil filter has been here. You see it is dirty. Under the hood is a little dirty, a little messy under here. So I'm going to clean it up, give the car a wash, put it in the garage, and let it just chill for the rest of the night. All right, guys, so I'm trying to get this done before the rain comes. So got a nice little syringe to suck up all the oil that's in there. I'm not sure how much in there, but we're going to see right now. It's like nothing in there. So if we get the camera closer so you guys can see down there. So it's like pretty much nothing. I'm not sure how much is supposed to be in there, but it's literally nothing. Last time I checked, this was about a year ago, I want to say. This is about a year since I've checked that. So that's how much has built up in there in over a year. So let's soak that up. Okay, sorry guys, I had to do a voiceover because my neighbors was cutting the lawn, and between the lawnmower and the blower going, it was extremely loud. So here I am just trying to get the car ready and prepped for the track. I brought it to the dealership. They gave it back to me. Car's good. Just doing some final prep work on it. So I'm trying to get all the oil out of my oil separator. The last time I checked my oil separator was about a year ago, and I'm very happy with it that it was not a lot of oil buildup in there, seeing that I checked it about a year ago. So my air filter, I've had this air filter on the car since I purchased the car. Well, the car came with a stock one, and a month later I swapped it out for the Ford Performance, and I've had that on the car ever since. Usually every time I wash the car or I change the oil, I usually check my air filter, vacuum out the air box, clean out in between the grooves of the air filter to make sure that there's no debris, no rocks or anything. The reason why it's crinkled like that, the last time I did a wash under the engine bay, I forgot that I had a plastic bag over the air filter, and went on the highway, did a pull, and it sucked the plastic bag in, and the car actually went into limp mode. I was extremely scared. Pulled over, opened up the hood, and realized the freaking plastic bag was on the car. I mean, was covering the air box, and once I took it off, everything was good. But shout out to CJ Pony. I procrastinated, wait till the last minute to order my new air filter, and I received this air filter within 2 days. So shout out to CJ Pony for that. I was really nervous that I was going to get it in time for the track, but they did their thing, man, and they got it to me. So here now I'm using my microfiber towel and just wiping out any debris or any rocks or any kind of dirt that's built up inside the airbox. And usually when I finish doing this, I'll go ahead and vacuum out the airbox and make sure that I've captured all the dirt possible. So it's crazy how the comparison with the old air filter and the new air filter, the color change. I never realized the color changes. But you can see how old and decrepit and used up the old one is, and just very happy that I got the new one. But like always, guys, man, please make sure that you like, you subscribe, you comment, you hit that bell notification so you guys get all my latest uploads. All right, so I'm just going to sign off, say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace. I forgot to mention, guys, they did give me brand new wiper blades, and I did install them, so I am ready for the track, ready for rain, whatever comes my way, man. All right, I see you guys in the next video. Peace.